Hello, I'm going to be going over the unit for exercise 7-1, enhance the future value application. I got the grading criteria open again. So first things first, try and catch. Add the try and catch to the button calculate. Here under the button calculate, we have my try and catch statements. Later on in the exercise, it tells you what, and it even asks, right here, comment out the specific catches. Here's the one that ends up getting commented out, at least for this portion. And try and catch again, catch all their errors. So here is the catch exception to catch the other errors. And then add the throw statement and comment. I'm assuming it means to comment it out. So here, under the future value function, is the throw for the new exception, and it's commented out. And let's see, is valid data procedures. So call the 4 generic procedures. Okay. So we scroll down here. The 4 generic procedures, we have the is present, is decimal, isn't 32, and is within range. And here's the actual function, is valid data, and it actually running through those, like calling those different like functions. And then modify the calculate button to add the is valid data function. So here you can see at the beginning when we're trying it, it's saying like, is this, we're going to try and see if this data is valid. And the last one, which I think I already kind of basically went over, was the comment out the specific catches. So those were commented out, and then there was that one that was already commented out. I mean, it's not a catch, but those are the ones that get commented out. And I'm going to run through like an example real quick of it working. Okay. So I'll show it working first. So here's, we'll say 100, 12, 1, and it works. But then let's say I try to make the monthly investment a string. So I put my name in there somehow accidentally and hit enter. It's going to say that it needs to be a decimal value because it can't be a string. And it should do the same for these ones. I'll just kind of give it a little. So like this one, I could do like a tree. I don't know. There we go. Oh, whoops. I should put something in those first. Do 900. 1 year. And it's going to say the same thing. The yearly interest rate must be a decimal value. Car works. Number of years must be an integer. So same thing. It can't be a string. And then if I remember correctly, there's a within range for this one. Actually, I'll do like 2,000 because I think it goes up to 1,000. And say the monthly investment must be between 1 and 1,000. So anyway, that is the application. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much.